the home of the CHAMPS, Misamis Occidental soars high through the years with governance of achievements and performance. The provincial government's development agenda, the CHAMPS, has propelled the province into the forefront of touching the lives of many Misamisnons.
We are the CHAMPS. One dream, one team.
Competence of capital personnel is enhanced through the full internet access in all offices. Misamis Occidental is now within the EU accessed through its website www.misoc.gov.ph. With the objective of attaining maximum rice production, massive hybrid rice cultivation workshops are conducted to farmers province-wide. Targeting to accommodate an 80-bed capacity, the 14 million MOPH Annex Bill address the congestion of patients at the Provincial Hospital. Another 11 million worth of upgraded hospital equipment is in line with the province's thrust of the delivery of quality and efficient health service. Under the health and social insurance component of the health sector reform program, there have been approximately 100,000 Misamisnons enrolled as PhilHealth members province-wide. With a target to generate 10 billion agricultural income and create 50,000 jobs, the Misamis Occidental Provincial Unified Goals for Agricultural Sustainability, or MUPUGAS, a 10-year agricultural development plan, was conceptualized and soon to be implemented with the funding assistance from the Philippines-Australia Local Sustainability Program of the Australian Aid for International Development. Earmarked to be one of the province's next ecotourism attraction, the Hoyohoy Highland Vegetable Garden is now on its initial implementation stage. The 4 drilling machines acquired through the financial assistance of the Philippines-Australia Local Sustainability Program enabled the province to achieve and realize its dream of providing potable and accessible water to most Misamisnons, especially those living in the remote areas. The Misamis Occidental Enterprise Development and Research Center, or MOED-RC, aims to equip the farmers with new techniques in farming and giving them the needed assistance in agricultural production. The Research Center, since its inception in 2001, was able to serve thousands of farmers and people's organizations province-wide. Misamis Occidental Aquamarine Park, or MOAP, had become the new favorite destination for both local and foreign tourists. Under its aquaculture production component, MOAP was able to disperse 10 million fingerlings to farmers and people's organizations province-wide. Right from its inception in 2003, Misamis Occidental Aquamarine Park has been the pet project of Governor Leo Ocampos. A Gawad Galing Po awardee in 2005, MOAP was dubbed as the best coastal resource management program in the whole country. The provincial government has rehabilitated almost 518 kilometers of provincial roads under its Provincial Road Network Development Plan, giving a strong agricultural support to its farmers with the extensive farm-to-market roads. The Provincial Anti-Crime Team, or PAC, is a composite team from the Philippine National Police and the Philippine Army, specially organized to extensively curb lawlessness and criminality, especially the dreaded drug trade operating in the province.
Ang problema sa druga, dili masulbad sa isa ka tao. Ikaw, ako, kontrahon ta ang druga.
Firmly believing that no one is above the law, the provincial government was able to successfully cause the arrest of the 2 top most wanted criminals in the region and in the province, in the person of Dodong Manos and Ricardo Uy Jr., also known as Halap. Shortage of police personnel is a national concern. The provincial government has organized the Special Citizen Armed Forces Geographical Unit Active Auxiliary, or SCA, composing of 86 members. Governor Leo Ocampos stressed that the creation of the SCA is not intended to sow division between and among our people, but instead, it is the effort of the provincial local government to build peace at the local level. As its Deputy Brigade Commander, Governor Leo Ocampos has instilled the spirit of volunteerism to almost 400 eager and ever-ready members of the Army Reserve Force, or reservists. Composed of 4 companies, the reservists have been a help in various emergency response operations and environmental preservation activities province-wide. Pursuant to Executive Order 52-05 issued by Governor Leo Ocampos last October 19, 2005, Oplan Bacal Team was created. Oplan Bacal is a brotherhood of men and women whose shared objectives is to extend control not only in Misamis City but the entire province with adherence to the rule of law. The programs on river rehabilitation and mangrove reforestation are implemented by the Ocampos administration to help curb the problem of illegal quarrying along riverbanks. Mangrove rehabilitation is also being addressed to back up the province's marine resources. In partnership with the Department of Environment and Natural Resources and other non-governmental organizations, the provincial government has intensified its coastal resource management program, protecting its 679 square kilometers of coastline in the Pangal Bay against all forms of illegal fishing activities. All these are in support of Gov. Leo's firm stand of not killing the goose that lays the golden egg in order to attain sustainable development. Since its inception in 2003, the Misamis Occidental Drug Treatment and Rehabilitation Center has been able to serve more than 200 clients. After 6 months of in-house rehabilitation, every client has found a better new life from the rehab. Created in 2005 under the Executive Order Number 17-05, the Misamis Occidental Job Placement Center, through its Labor for International Placement and Deployment or LIPAD program, has its vision of giving accessible overseas employment opportunities to all Misamisnos. In line with its aim of providing decent and affordable shelter, the housing project has fulfilled its promise of providing more opportunities for Misamisnos to avail of low-cost but quality housing units. Situated at the Provincial Library, the sharing computer access locally and abroad or SCALA has turned thousands of underprivileged youth province-wide into computer literates. The program is funded by the Canadian government through the Department of Social Welfare and Development. Located in the city of Misamis, the Governor's Extension Office extends its services to municipalities with a District 2 area. Instead of going to the capital, people from the far-flung areas can transact business at the Extension Office. Since its opening in July 2002, the center has already served to nearly 1,000 daycare beneficiaries. With its intention of providing quality education to poor but deserving students, Governor Leo Ocampos has allocated more than $1 million for the Provincial Government Scholarship Program both for secondary and college levels. As a shelter facility, the Gender and Development Center, since its inception in the year 2000, has been the institutional refuge for women who are victims of violence against women or VAW and children who are victims of incest, rape, and all forms of violence.
PALS program started in the province in the year 1998.
Tabang gid ang PALS. Pamaagi bitaw sa pagpugas sa mani. Naka-develop kami kung saon.
Providing 300 million pesos funding assistance for sustainable livelihood projects and for capability building support mechanisms.
May mga gipakanda ka trainings, distribuan ng mga business planning.
Covering 6 municipalities, namely Bonifacio, Clarin, Don Victoriano, Jimenez, Lopezina, and Tudela. PALS Phase 1 made a difference in the lives of the Misamisnons, providing farmers associations, IPs, cooperatives, fishermen and women associations, and other vulnerable groups sustainable livelihood, imparting in them capability building mechanism. The strengthened relationship between Misamis Occidental and the Australian government paved the way for the inception of PALS Phase 2 with additional funding assistance of more than 600 million pesos. The coming in of other AusAid programs like PACAP, PATSARD, and PAHRDF spells the flourishing partnership between the Australian government and Misamis Occidental. covering 8 municipalities under Phase 2, namely Aloran, Baliangao, Calamba, Concepcion, Panaon, Plaridel, Sapangdalaga, and Sinacaban. PALS had further intensified its assistance to local communities, serving 136 people's organizations, helping 4,497 beneficiaries as to date. Phase 2 development programs are ongoing. This will help continue helping more beneficiaries. Through the PALS program, drilling machines were purchased and have provided potable and accessible water to various waterless barangays, providing both household and agricultural needs. Farm-to-market roads were constructed and rehabilitated, helping farmers transport their harvested produce from the farm gate to the marketplace. The purchase of 4 units brand new tractors poses a great agricultural support facility that would help marginal farmers achieve maximum production through modern farming. With what have been achieved and to be achieved, OS8 programs have been a source of blessing to the province of Misamis Occidental. As the province propels for further development, OS8 programs have been and will always be an inspiration to every child, to every Misamisnon, to live in a community of progress, a community of hope.
The Pango Bay Bridge is now on its way. With the 900 million peso national government counterpart, the project is now incorporated in the medium-term public investment plan after it passed the ICC Technical Board of the National Economic Development Authority and is now open for bidding to interested contractors. As the province of Misamis Occidental propels for further development, its leaders are continuously soaring the province in the front lines of performance and achievement that truly touch the lives of every Misamistan.